Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to our channel. It's your girl, Grace, and your beautiful girl, Chima. Yeah. How are you all doing, Zazie? In today's tutorial, your girl is going to transform Chima into a beautiful looking little bride. More like this Igbo traditional hairstyle, bridal hairstyle, you know what I mean? And also it can be also be used for a regular, birthdays and all that stuff. It's very easy though, but very technical, a little technical, and that's it. I think the most technical part is parting the hairs and putting the rubber bands. Apart from that, everything is just normal. Okay, so let's jump right into it. So first and first, I had to moisturize Chima's hair. At first, you could see that it was looking so dry and crusty. Your girl had to spray some water in her hair. I have yeah, water in the no spray some water on her hair. Not only water, it doesn't contain only water. It contains some rice water in it, and it had some what's it called again? I got it from Beauty Nest. It's also used for detangling of hair. So yeah, I have to spray on her hair. And after that, I went in with my hair moisturizer oil. The oil consists of shea butter, um, hair grease, and some hair oils that are actually so nice for the hair. I added them right in here. Even castor oil, yeah, castor oil is in there, yeah. And then I had to apply it on her hair, and massaged it. I use my hand to comb more because Chima's hair is growing. It's growing and it's becoming more tough to work with. So the best thing is and whenever I'm combing it, she's always uncomfortable. So I feel like my hands are better. So I had to use my hand to do that. So now we're just gonna section the hair. This part is quite easy and it's quite repetitive. And I'm not gonna talk so much about it, but just watch what I do and follow the steps. You might not do exactly the same style I have on her. You can just do your own freestyle, and all that stuff. So first thing, I had to section the hair in two, from ear to ear, just the part, and then from the front, because the front is where we want the designs to be. So we're just going to do like a C curve kind of, looking cutie kind of, style, and section. So we're just going to do that and start sectioning it. So what I do is I section and I use the rubber band to hold it, the section. And once I do the second one, or the next one I section on the second one, and I tucking the first one into the second one, and I use my rubber band and wrap it. I hope you get what I mean. Yeah, so that's what I did till I covered the whole hair.
After a long day, I come in, I look around at this place, I be counting my blessings. I'm grateful each day. The moment you walk in, you smile, you love me that way, even when I be stressing. You keep my mind sane. $1 million in a mansion, guess that sounds real cool. But if it never ever happens, I'm still rich here, loving on you all. I don't need much to make me happy. One or two things about me happening. Nothing they say can change what I do. I don't need picture perfect weather. Pretty much cool, just us together. Better this way, love is simple with you. After a hard time, we pull through, and everything that way. You be saying some crazy things, but I know you love me. $1 million in a mansion, guess that sounds real cool. But if it never ever happens, I'm still rich if I've been on you all. I don't need much to make me happy. One or two things about me happen. Nothing they say can change what I do. I don't need picture perfect weather. Pretty much cool, just us together. Better this way. Love is simple with you. Ooh, your love is simple. Your love. Ooh, your love is simple with you. Ooh, your love is simple. Your love. Ooh, your love is simple with you. Ooh, your love is simple. Your love. Ooh, your love is simple with you. Ooh, your love is simple. Your love. Ooh, your love is simple with you. Ooh, your love is simple. Your love. Ooh, your love is simple with you. I am not right where I thought I'd be, but I'm doing better, so much better on the inside. See, you made a big difference. Looking back, you were changing me. I didn't know then. Way back when, way back I was falling. I had everything way too fast. Where were my parents? They were getting buried by their past. So I said to you, do you wanna grow with me? And you did. So stay right here, baby, I want your love in me, baby, I want your love in me.
So when we're done with the hair, actually I just decided to wrap it, put up in a ponytail. I'm sorry I didn't show you guys this one. A lot was just going on, so your girl couldn't give you guys the video, but most of you already know how to put the hair in the ponytail. Just hold them all together and put them up in a bun. And then I went in with my Gummy hair gel. You'll know more if you've been watching my videos. You already know about this hair gel. This hair gel can last your on a natural. It can be, and it can stay on your hair for like 2 to 3 days. Yeah, that's what I did. And then brush it up and have it up in, looking so smooth. And meanwhile, this is the ponytail, right? So all the designs are just in the front. The back doesn't need so much of a design, doesn't need so much of a holding. All it needs is just a gel and all that stuff. So because I know my daughter and I want this hair too, I'm doing this hair. The next day is her birthday. It's their birthday. So if I don't sew down this hair, Chima can sleep and pull. Maybe she might be scratchy and she'll just get it off. So I decided to sew it down, and this is the way I do. You just sew it. It's quite simple and quite easy. Just do your thing, sew down. And I'm adding 2 donuts to the hair, to this small donuts like this to the hair. So after I'm done with this one, I went ahead and then I sew in the second one. And this is the best way if you want the hair. Let me tell you, this hair lasted for at least 2 weeks. The rubber bands I used were the best. They didn't cut off, they didn't spoil. The hair gel was just holding up. I was just so careful that I had to keep this hair for like 2 weeks. And girl, this is the best, I'm telling you. And the fun part of this is that you can switch the style. You already have it like that, yes, but you can switch up the style anytime, any day. And take up the whatever hair wrap you use in wrapping this bun, and then just change something. Like you just I'm like freestyling and all that. So that's why I love this. So once we are done, I went ahead, I used the hair. This hair is from Expression, I think so. Yeah, I use this spring kinky spring twist, and then I use it and start wrapping. First of all, let me tell you what I did here. I actually gonna put in some beads to it, so I don't want the bead to hook to our natural hair, so that's why I put it to have like a balance all the way, and it doesn't like hide away the beauty, you get what I mean. So now I started wrapping. This is very simple for people who might be thinking that this hair will be too heavy on Chima. Please, it's not heavy. You can see how lightweight the hair is, because I know I'm gonna get some police people here saying that it might be too much for her. It's too much. Honey, the hair is very lightweight and it's super. I couldn't even finish half of the hair actually. This is what I use, yeah. So I couldn't even finish half of the hair. It's just really huge, and to wrap up around the hair. So this is what you're going to do. Just use it and wrap, and then when you get to the end, just use a bobble pin to hold it. And that's what you're going to do. Keep doing till you are satisfied with the size and the height of the hair.
Why is there income inequality? I gotta get up, get up, get up and try to make it better, better, better this time. For I will be all the change I wish to see. I know something ain't right with what I see. Something deep inside is calling me. Stand up for change and pray, pray to be strong enough to recognize the truth, long enough to help somebody through. Till one of these days things change to make us better humans. Why is there a lack of education in cities? Why is there guns, drugs, bad policies? Why is there high rates of-
And yes, yo, look at that. I was done with the styling, with this height and all the stuff, and I was satisfied with it. Yeah. So what I did was I went ahead. I had like this wig stuff on that you always get from, like, it's a net wig or something. You can use it, and just to make sure that the hair is not flying away, just make it look so cute, and also to help when your child is going to sleep and all that stuff. It's not gonna run around, spoil the hair and all that stuff. That net is gonna help hold the hair. Now this is the time for the styling, and I'm just wrapping around the hair. This is on the birthday. I'm just not the birthday actually. I think this is the photo shoot, right? So not their birthday yet. So I'm just wrapping around, having the hair up and just making sure everything is set. And yeah, these beads are for rentals. If you are a bride and you need your hair to be, taken care of by me, I rent the beads. And even if you're looking for where to get the beads for your bridal, whatever styling, I am all available for that day. Yeah, please do go ahead and contact me. My phone number is 469-664-1685. Contact me for your bridal hairstyles and makeup. Yes. Yeah. So, and also for bead rentals, we also rent beads on its own. Even if you don't want to patronize us by for us doing your hair, we rent the beads. Yeah. So yeah, this is it. I mean, now I had to make her look like a queen, a princess. She is. She's a queen in making. Yeah, I'll have to make her look like a princess, an Igbo princess. She is. I'm so proud of the hairstyle, and she carried it so well, yo. I'm so proud of my daughter. Yeah. So yeah, this is the end of this tutorial. After we're done with the photo shoot with this one, I went ahead to do their have their the beads all taken out, and then went ahead and just have her with her tiara. Yeah, so this is the end of the tutorial, y'all. If you do love this tutorial, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, like, share, comment. And if you've watched it up to this extent, you are the real MVVVP. I and Chima and Chino and my husband, we appreciate you so much. Thank you so much, and see you in the next tutorial. Bye!
Started this road, I packed my bags and left my home. I thought that this would be easy, but life has a way of teaching. And yes, I am older now, but still at times I fall down. But all of it makes me stronger to walk on the road much longer. And looking back on years, I see time and faith is carrying me through.